Students and staff of Tenwek Hospital College are enjoying the benefits of a smokeless kitchen following a transition from wood fuel to cooking gas. A 1-ton liquefied petroleum gas tank and piping were installed at the School of Health Sciences through support from Equity Bomet branch.
I want to really thank the school management. They were really initiative. They wanted clean and sustainable source of energy. Through Equity, we were able then to get access to the solutions that we were looking for.
A cook at the hospital, Vincent Langat, said the challenges of aching eyes, hurting chests and blistered palms from hewing wood are now history.
Kitambo tulikuwa tunatumia kuni, moshi ilikuwa shida. Saa zingine kuni ni mbichi, haziwaki. Saa zingine unapasua kuni ni ngumu, unaumia, unachafuka haraka juu ya chifu kwa masufuria. Chakula iko na moshi, chakula inachelewa. So sasa tumeletewa LPG, kazi iko rahisi. Chakula inaiva on time.
The migration to clean cooking is a game changer for the 88-year-old hospital that has used wood fuel since inception, adversely affecting the environment.
To Equity Bank, this is the bank that enlightened us on LPG. They are the one who came at the beginning and helped us, and even they supported us, and we went together for benchmarking, and we are very thankful. We must appreciate the bank for what you did.
Equity Bomet branch manager Richard Koech thanked the hospital for embracing clean cooking for the health of the cooks, but also save forests that are depleted for firewood.
Equity, we are so concerned with the environment, and actually we said this is the way to go. We do have what it takes to change the environment. Thank you, Tenwek, for being pioneers around this area so that we get more people to use the clean energy. And then definitely the benefits are very huge to the country and the world.
Heatmax Energy, the LPG installation vendor, committed to provide after-sales service like it does for other similar installations in other institutions.
We have installed LPG in so many schools in various parts of the country. One of them is Tenwek Hospital, where we are. We modify the boilers to ensure that they can be able to serve the purpose and accept the use of the burners within the kitchen.
The Clean Energy Partnership is only one among other collaborations the Tenwek Hospital has with Equity.
Equity as a partner is not starting today, it dates back to a long time. I want to particularly call out the support that came through in the midst of the COVID crisis when Equity provided and donated equipment and commodities that were able to come and help us during that particular battle. Chief Executive Officer Dr. James Mankey actually flew in here, donated those commodities, and it helped big time.
Tenwek Hospital was established in 1937 on the southern ridge of River Nyongores. It has grown to become a leading healthcare provider in the Rifts and the county at large. Recently, the hospital opened a first-of-its-kind cardiothoracic center that has become a leading referral facility in the region.